Never dump by the office. Always dump in the grass.
Boy, JD back at you with another video. Yo, thank you for coming back and checking me out, man. Guys, thanks for subscribing. If you're new to this channel, yo, I'm a professional carpet cleaner. I've been doing carpet cleaning now for like over 10 years, all right? And it's one of the things that's been paying the bills. So what we're doing is just showing people, the possibilities out here, what you could do for a job, or if you want to start a business. Guess what? It's one of the good careers and jobs out here that you could do. It's satisfying, and you could help make someone else's life better by helping to make sure the place looks and feel and smells fragrant and just homely. Home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. All right? Say it with me. Home is where the heart is. All right? So this is what we're dealing with, and we change lives. We are first responders. All right? We do emergency floods. We do carpet cleaning. We do furniture cleaning. Yo, drop a comment on the video. Any video you see in the playlist. All right, start from the first one and start watching all the way to the top. Do that for me. All right. Definitely new things are coming in the future, and I want you guys to rock with me. Right now, as I said, we're gonna be doing a model. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna check out the amenities and just enjoy the show. All right, guys, I love you. Thanks for coming back.
What we got here? Cheetos, Ruffles, Baked Lays, Doritos. Oh man, my favorite. Smart food, popcorn, white cheddar. Baked 65% less fat. Perfect. Just what we like. Yeah, right. Three Musketeers. Okay. Nice. Official. Yeah, we in Lake Mary. Terrace at Lake Mary.
What's going on, guys? Let's check out this model. Wow. This is nice. Look at that. Overhang Lake Mary. All right. Let them know Dreddy sent you. Ask for that special. All right. We're about to clean this today. A lot of times when the corporate suites are being cleaned, that means, a manager is coming in town, and, we got to get it looking nice. Check it out. Beautiful amenities, beautiful. Beautiful. See what they got. I might have to charge you guys. Right now we're about to go clean these carpets. Make sure it looks good. I like it. It's always interesting to see, the design that they put and the coordination that they, put together to put these things. Woo! That was good. There you have it. Now that looks like a really nice podcast lounge area, What do you think? Yeah, man. Especially these Rakatan chairs. Yeah. give you a trick.
Never dump by the office. Always dump in the grass. Never dump by the office. Always go dump in the grass.